Hey everyone, in this video we are going to show you how to install the Dark Mode plugin from Squarespell on your Squarespace 7.1 website. From your Squarespace dashboard, open Code Injection, go to the header field, paste in the header code and click Save. Next, open the footer field inside Code Injection, paste in the footer code and click Save. Now that both codes are saved, it's time to add the toggle to your site. To add the toggle as a social links icon in your header. If your header does not already have a social links element, you will need to add one first. While editing your site header, click Add Elements and turn on social links if it is not already turned on. Then add a social link and paste this exact URL, save it, and the plugin will automatically find that link and replace its icon with the Dark Mode toggle. It will never actually navigate anywhere when clicked, and that's it. Your Dark Mode toggle is now live on your site. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.